In this lecture, I am going to tell you about tuple membership test.
This video is brought to you by OppyPies Academy.
Using in keyword of Python. Actually, membership test means we will check the occurrence of a particular item in a tuple. If it happens to be present in the tuple, it will return a boolean value true, otherwise it will return false. So I am going to have a very simple tuple with the name countries, and the values are India, America, Australia, and let me have one another name, suppose Bangladesh, our neighboring country, and then another neighboring country, Nepal. Okay, so these are the values of our tuple countries. So what I am going to do is I am going to write suppose Bangladesh and in countries. So what it is going to do is it will find the occurrence of this item Bangladesh in the tuple countries. Yes, it is present in the tuple, so it should return the value true. Let's execute the program and see the output. Right, so we will press the right mouse button on the program name, then we will run it. Indentation error. Okay, there seems to be a minor problem. There shouldn't be any space in the beginning of any statement. So there is a space in the beginning of this statement where I have defined my tuple and used the print function. Okay, let's re-execute the program. Yes, now you can see the value is being given as true because this value Bangladesh is present in the tuple. So boolean value true was returned. Now let me give another I am going to test another value, and it's going to be suppose New Zealand, and as you know New Zealand is not present in the list, I'm sorry, in the tuple. So I would write print New Zealand in countries. So it should return the boolean value false. Why? Because New Zealand is not present in the tuple countries. Let's execute this program. Yes, as you can see, it has returned false.